So now we're going to find composition with using a table. So first we're going to find f of g of 3. Okay, so we go to our table here. That's kind of scrolling off. First we need to find g of 3. Now that means 3 is the input. 3 is the input. So we want to go to the g column and find g of 3. So our input here is 3. We read over and we get 2. So g of 3 is 2. When x is 3, you get out 2. Okay, so hopefully that's making sense. So now we want to find f of g of 3, or f of 2. So now you have to switch columns and go to this column. The input is 2 now. Okay, I'll put a box. And then the output's going to be 8. So f of 2 is going to be 8. So if we put it all together, we would say f of g of 3 equals 8. Okay. All right, we got another one we can do. This one says g of f of 3. So the input 3, but you're going to find f of 3. So go to where it's 3, so right here now, but you're going to go to the f column. So f of 3. You know what? Let me erase some of this so it will not get all confusing. Okay, so now we're going to put in 3. There's our input. We're going to the f column, and we're getting out that looks like 3. All right, now we need to find g of f of 3. Or g of 3 this time, because that happens to be what f of 3 is. So now we're going to say, here's our input again, but we need the g column. So it looks like that's going to equal 2. G of 3 is equal to 2. So put it all together. G of f of 3 is going to equal 2. So you might have to watch that video again. Might be a little confusing because you're switching columns based on, are we using the f function or are we using the g function? The input is based on that x column. That's our input. Okay.